Alright, let's start the video. Today it's Wednesday, August 9, 2023. Volkswagen Beetle transmission, refresh, rebuild. I don't remember how I call it, I don't remember the title. Now, this unit, it's the OEM unit. Alright, and this unit is the one that they sent us another one because the previous one was not reading one channel. Let's see now this time what's gonna happen. We're gonna see on the diagnostic, we're gonna read again just to remember where it sits each of these sensors. One second, if I make it like that, I'm gonna be able to turn on the light. Yeah, we need to read 1, 2, 3, 4, and the other one's behind to see how many millimeters it's here. Then I'm gonna lose the bolts to lift it up to see that it's active and it's reading. And then we're gonna repeat the same test on this unit before closing the transmission. Right, very good. So now we have 100 of an inch, 100 of an inch, 0, 0. All right. We are talking about this unit. I have loose these two bolts. Now I'm gonna lose also the main one, and I have one bracket that's 1.85 millimeter the thickness. It's a high-speed steel. Let's do this test to see when I'm gonna raise it. How much it's gonna be very nice if it's measuring in millimeters, but it's not. Okay, no worries, no worries. Now, what's gonna happen if now with one hand I cannot do it? I'm gonna raise up the unit. Just put there in the middle this bracket there. All right. What do we have? 0.04961. One second, let's raise it more up. Yes, it's active. So when I'm moving it up, one second, you know what I'm gonna do? We're gonna do it a different way. Just one thread here, one thread here, one thread here, and one thread here. Alright? Alright, one second, zoom out. I make it full up. Alright, and we have 0.25, 0.25, 0.25, 0.25 in all of them. All the channels 0.25. Alright, when it's fully up, the unit. Now, if I push it down, it goes to 100 to 0. There. It's active, right? Correct? It is active. Alright. Now, ignition off, and let's repeat the same test with a new unit. Right, now, the new unit in place, it's not been bolted down. We have 200, 100, 0, 100. Alright, if I push it completely down, alright, I guess acceptable, right? Now, if I lift it up, like before, 0.26, 0.27, all of the channels are active. It's not like before, you remember? Yeah. Now it can read all the channels, like the stock one. Right?
Yes.
So we are good to go. We're gonna mount this unit and then close the transmission, put it on the car, and see that it's working fine. Alright, gentlemen. Mr. Electrician, thank you very much. Thank you for your time. That's what I needed to see only. To see that this unit is reading properly the shift rod. Yep. Over and out. Small update. If there is no any other problem and shifting fine, that's the end of the video. I'm not gonna make another video. If not, we're gonna continue making videos. Yay! The OEM unit back to the owner. This unit inside. Yeah. Thank you.